So, for Xbox HDM23 USB, I have created a. So, let's try that again. So this is the stock. If you grab the Xbox HDM23 USB, this folder I created for testing, but that's not going to be there. But I've created an Xbox HD.sh, which does essentially the same as the BAT did, and grabbed the Smart CTL from Xbox HD because this is a Windows release, so they don't include their Linux, but they do have a Linux build of their Smart CTL that supports HDD locking, unlocking, all that great jazz. So the actual script, if I type it correctly. Oh, yeah, I did mistype it and update it. Okay. I don't know, I could open from here, but I'm just going to. Oop. Okay. So, sets the HTTP path to nothing. Just you don't have to initialize and bash, but that's just. So, these four right here are functions. These are serving the place of the lock_htd.bat and the equivalents in the Windows release. So it uses that bundled Smart CTL, and if you're locking, uses the EEPROM to lock it. If you're unlocking, uses the EEPROM to unlock it. QEMU run takes in, and these all take in, because each function itself kind of acts as its own, as if it was another SH file. So you can pass in arguments just the same. So I'm passing in the drive path here for all the Smart CTLs. Same thing for QEMU, running QEMU. And then a select HDD to actually get that path. Needs to run as root. And then just does this in a loop. Asks you to enter a choice. If you do the drive select, it'll list the drives, let you select one, and it stores that to that variable, which isn't available to everything else. Then I can do QEMU run that HDD variable, lock HDD that HDD variable, unlock that HDD variable. So, as a quick test, I have an HDD that I already prepared, so I can do, so if you don't run it as sudo, .sh, please run as root, sudo sudzo. There we go. So list drives connected. 1. I know in this case it's SDD. That's why I list it. I should put a better warning, like please be sure you select your right disk, but it also lists mount points. So it's the one that's not mounted and assuming the right size, so SDD. So you can enter the full path, dev SDD. So now that's ready for anything else, and I can do the launch Xbox HDM. And then you can do anything that you would there. Format it from the beginning. Let's do Xbox HD because I can just show it. Xbox HD, format extended, and list partitions just to show that there's 5 is the F partition, taking up about 470 gigabytes, and then the rest. And yeah, you can do all the same stuff. Then you can shut down. And the actual QEMU doesn't exit, so you have to just hit exit. And then brings you back to your menu. So if you want to unlock the hard drive, I don't have an EEPROM, so it's just going to error out. But unable to open file EEPROM. But if it was there, it would unlock the hard drive or lock the hard drive and 5 to quit. So yeah, that's about it. Goodbye.